So, fun fact about me, I just so happen to be born and raised in the greatest state in the United States, good old Georgia, down there in the South. Unfortunately for me though, I did not hit the genetic lottery. I do have a list of allergies, that including shellfish, hay dust, things like that, but most commonly, my arch nemesis is indeed pollen. So, in a very ironic, joke, it's like the universe said, here, take these, because I just happened to hit on the Air Jordan pollen. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. If you're new here though, my name is Hayes, veterinarian, sneakerhead, his name, the shoe vet. Back again, once again, my buddy here, sneakers, and you must not like that hoodie because you do not move a bit when I put that hoodie on you. But anyways though, we're going over the Air Jordan 1 pollens. These actually dropped a couple weeks ago. Yes, I did hit on sneakers, which is a rare feat, but yeah, I guess the universe said, hey man, you've been through pollen all your life, here you go. We're going to go over the typical things, in the video, the materials, the colors, the details of the shoes, and of course my favorite part, how I style these shoes, and then is it worth pickup, whether it be for retail or resale. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. Now, of course, we're going to first start with presentation right here. We got our black and yellow Nike box with a open two-piece top. You got Nike branding all around it. You have your sizing label on the front. I got mine in a true to size 9.5, but per standard protocol, we'll go over sizing later on in the video. What I like about these shoes is that you not only get one pair of laces, you not only get two pairs of laces, you actually get three pairs of laces all in. You get a black, a white, and a yellow. So you can make some interesting combinations. I don't know why I paused right there, but you can make some interesting combinations with the lace. There you go, now you're moving. You can make some really good combinations with the laces, some really good lace swaps on good outfits, but I prefer to actually keep it with the stock yellow. I just like how the yellow blends in with the yellow of the shoes. Got a little bit of contrast with the white in there. So I know the white lace is probably my number. Actually, I feel like the blacks will be a little bit better. So we'll say black will probably be a better number 2 than the white's number 3. Anywho though, as far as the composition of the shoe, I mean, it's your basic Jordan materials, leather, rubber, and some nylon in there. The overall cut of the shoe, I mean, it's your basic Jordan 1 high. It's not doing anything different whatsoever. It's just, of course, different colorway. Now, breaking down the shoe, we have our traditional nylon tongue with the Nike Air logo on it. Currently moving down towards our toe box, you have our cotton laces in a flat shape. Of course, like I said, these are the stock yellow pairs that come in the shoe already. When we get down to our toe box is in a nice black leather that is perforated. The mud guard around the toe box is made out of leather too as well. Yellow color. Nice contrast on the black. Now let's move back caudally towards the mid panel, the upper of the shoe. The main underlay of the mid panel is a black kind of pebbled leather. On top of that is the overlay of the Nike swoosh. The Nike swoosh is in a leather material and is in that gold yellow color. Let me talk about the colors too as well. I think I skipped over the colors. The colors, this is pretty much a trichromatic shoe. It's yellow, black, and white. The yellow is more like a gold or maybe like a dark gold. Any alphas in the house will probably love this shoe, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's a darker tone yellow than it may show up on this, just know that. And moving on up to the ankle, you have the Jordan wings with the Jordan logo on the lateral aspect of it. You have a cushion ankle collar. Moving on to the back, there is no branding on here. You see the connection to the swoosh and a leather heel counter. The midsole of the shoe is in a white color, nothing really fancy or anything like that. And on the outsole is made out of rubber in a yellow color as well. This yellow though actually looks a little bit lighter than the rest of the shoe. I don't know why they decided to change the shade of yellow for the outsole. I mean, it's the outsole, it is what it is. It's gonna be out on the ground, so the insole of the shoe, nothing really special. Foam insert, Nike Air logo on it, nothing too crazy or anything like that. And that's pretty much the overview of the shoe. Like I pretty much mentioned in the beginning, you've been here before, you've seen this before. It's really just the colorway that's a little bit different. As far as sizing goes, you guys know the deal. True to size, I went 9.5. That's what I do with all my Jordans. Fits me just perfectly, fits me just fine. If you guys haven't tried on a Jordan before, I mean, you can go to any shoe store basically and they'll have a pair, find your size, but honestly going true to size, you'll be just fine. Okay, my guy, you ready to tell them how we would style it? Now, as far as how I would style these shoes, giving you guys inspirations and ideas of what you can do with these, well, we can be basic about it. It's a black and yellow shoe. Therefore, you can do the whole bumblebee thing and make your outfit pretty much all black and yellow seen here. But I would consider that a little bit on the basic side. It's not bad, it's not wrong, it still works out. It's still just a little bit basic though. But I know you guys want to do a little bit more of that, be a little more creative, and just like Steve, I'm proud of you.
You look great, by the way.
So we're gonna move on to this, we're gonna throw in a little bit of jazz in there, just a little bit. So working with our colors here, complementary color to yellow is actually green. So I'm gonna bring out my favorite pants right here. These pants are from PacSun. You guys have seen me wear these pants in a couple other videos. You know I love them. The corduroy dark forest green pants from PacSun. Looks really nice with this yellow. It even still goes with the black. Above that, we got a nice little shirt that I got from PacSun, I think as well, years ago. Pulp Fiction shirt. The reason why I like this shirt, it's a black shirt, so of course it goes in with the black in the shoe, and then you have that pop of yellow in the shirt that at least makes this shoe more relevant too as well, because, well, coordination. I will admit though, unfortunately, the yellow in this shoe doesn't perfectly match up with it, because like I said, this is more of like a darker gold than more of like a true bright yellow like this. So just, let that be known. Same thing for the first fit too as well, but you guys get the idea of doing the whole black and yellow outfit. Here I'm showing, all right, you have a black and yellow shirt. If it goes with it, wear a green pair of pants because green is complementary to yellow. So that is the psychology of that outfit. And then the third and final outfit right here, still we're going with the black top. I mean, black going on with black and yellow. Of course, that looks up just fine. But the pants, we're gonna make this a little more casual. So these pants right here are some of my favorite trousers in my collection. Mason Margiela asymmetrical linen trousers. So reason why I like these with this, I think the khaki goes smoothly nice over the yellow in these shoes. It's not really it's not a complementary, it's not even really a contrast. I think it just kind of smooths in and just nicely. The white laces that are at the waist of the shoes, I like that because it does kind of keep this shoe relevant with the white midsole. And as I mentioned before, the black in the top, the black in the shirt, bamboo cotton shirt, by the way, from Essentials. But the black in the shirt, still just looks nice, looks very formal, I think, with everything, and of course going down with the Jordans. So yeah, that is the third outfit that I put together with this. And again, it's just to give you guys, some ideas. I know a lot of you guys get a lot of like, okay, t-shirt and skinny jeans or t-shirt and shorts, but you kind of play around with it. Look at some other different colors, look at some other different cuts of pants, play with the materials, so on and so forth. And that is the purpose of my channel, just kind of giving some alternatives out there. I'm no fashion guru, but I like what I like. So that's pretty much gonna be it for the review. As far as what I think about these shoes, I think they're really nice. I mean, at the end of the day, they are just basic Jordan 1s with a dark yellow or gold colorway. But all in all, I think it's nice. What I really do like about this shoe are the laces. Like I said, you can do some different combination with these. I didn't really want to right here, this video quite long, but you guys can use your imagination and play with them with the black laces, the white lace, or you guys can mix and match, one shoe black laces, the other shoe white laces, if that's your thing. I'm honestly, how do you guys feel about when people do that? I'm honestly not the biggest fan of doing that. I like my laces to be the same. If there's something about it you guys like, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not judging, I'm honestly just straightforward curious about it. But with that being said, that's gonna end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys become a client. You do that by hitting the description button down below, as well as hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of next appointment. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. The handle's at drhayes91, where I post more content. Again, hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next video.